Hello. Hello. Okay, everybody, if we can just take our seats for now.
So today, what we're going to be doing is talking about multi-platform journalism. I would like to think just a moment about what multi-platform journalism is. So really, it's about producing news stories that are appropriate to different media and to different audiences. So a news story that you put on the evening news is going to look really different to a news story on TikTok. Or a piece that you write for a print story is going to look quite different to something that you might hear on the radio.
Some of these students are more proficient with social media than me, so this exercise really gets them to take those skills and that knowledge and to start thinking about social media as a platform for journalism.
What we want to try and get to is making a 1-minute social media video that promotes you, that tells the world how fabulous you are and why you would be an amazing person to be working for any organisation. We want students to practice these skills because they're going to be crucial for them as they take their first steps into the industry. There are a lot of entry-level positions in social media content creation, and we want them to be at the forefront of getting them. So what we want you to do is think about your dream job and why you're the best person for the job.
My dream media job is to interview celebrities.
I love to be on social media.
Cool. Fantastic. Do you have some favourite social media accounts you follow, Savannah?
I follow singers and I also follow the places and clubs I've been to in the past and right now. And everybody I know.
Well, think about your favourite videos that you've watched on social media, and you're going to have a go at producing one to tell us about it. All right?
Okay.
All right. Is anybody ready to go to start presenting our videos?
Yeah.
There's something about stepping in front of a camera and feeling the white hot spotlight on you that is incredibly nerve-wracking. So there's a process of getting over that. Ready to roll?
No.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Remember, it doesn't matter. It's just a bit of fun. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Anastasia, and my dream job is to become a voice actor. The reason why I want to become a voice actor is because I think it would be cool to voice a character in an animated or cartoon show or movie.
Good evening, folks. My name is Fletcher. I'm 20 years old, and my dream job is to be an entertainment interviewer.
I love storytelling. I'm very passionate about what I do, very dedicated and eager to learn. To end it off, acting is my dream, but if you need anything done in media, feel free to get me involved.
Very nice. Well done.
Honestly, to get a job in media, it would be great. It would give me a career, it'd give me something to do, and it'd also allow me to chase my dreams.
My name is Andrew, and my dream job is I'd like to be on television and radio about my advocacy with autism and intellectual disability so we can have the best life possible. People have always told me throughout my life, you can't do this because I have a disability and autism, but I don't listen to those people because we can do things, and I've just done a big journalism course and it's been amazing.
All right, Angus, I'm going to give you that. Come round.
Hello, to whomst it may concern. My name is Angus, and my dream job is to be a announcer, presenter, MC, you name it, I'll do it. So, Ango's your guy if you want an announcer. Peace.
Oh, so very nice. You are what they call in the biz a one-take wonder. It's so great to see how engaged the students are in this topic. I can see that some of them are ready to go and to start making social media content out in the real world.